The underarm area also needs attention. Here's how to massage it. First, spread the oil. Gently push from the underarm to the forearm. Push and knead the upper arm with the thumbs. Relax the muscles from outside to inside. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push straight on the underarm lymph with both thumbs. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Push straight from the upper arm to the underarm. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Push and knead the underarm lymph with the heel of the palm. Then release in the reverse direction toward the forearm.